Oh my god. Guys, it's scarier than it looks. Just having a little nature walk. Got some ice cream. Nummy. I believe it's within my budget of $10, luckily. Because I don't really have points. Although I had a little extra of my own. These are the stairs. They look a little dangerous, but I swear they're not as dangerous as they look. My brother's being a photographer now. Show you guys the stairs in just a second. There we go, now we can go. Okay, oh. I don't like going up these stairs. Scary. Thank you.
I'm gonna take a tax. Just one tax. Gotta pay your dues.
Anyways. I know, it's more safe than it looks. Feels like you're gonna bust through the metal.